Login pages are one of the most important parts of any website, and today I'll show you how to build a clean and attractive login form that will instantly make your site stand out. The best part is that it's super easy, and we'll code it together step by step. So stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. We will start by creating our HTML and CSS file. First, let's create a HTML form structure with each input fields properly enclosed inside separate div. Make sure to give placeholder attribute in the input field and also keep the value as empty because we will need this while styling. Note, we will keep each component of the form in separate div. We have completely built the structure of our form. Now, we will style our webpage step by step. What we are doing here is just one of the ways to center a div. There are many techniques to do this, but in this video, we'll be using this method multiple times to reposition elements. If you find it difficult to understand CSS positioning, don't worry. You can check out the detailed tutorial linked in the I button after watching this video. Now we are about to design our input element present inside div of class name input field. Did you see the entire styling of the input elements? It was quite simple, right? Now, let's move on to styling the input fields when the input elements will be clicked or when values will be filled in the input elements. These two lines means apply style to the label when the input is focused or when it already contains a value. Can you notice one thing? By default, the label sits on top of the input because of position absolute. So, when you click on the label text, the click never reaches the input. To fix this, we will use pointer events, none. This makes the label non-clickable, allowing the click to pass through to the input field. That way, whether you click on the input box or directly on the label text, the input still gets focus and the floating effect works. The second thing we need to fix is to make the transition smooth. We are almost done. Now just we have to add little bit of hover effect to out buttons and submit button. This was all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down if you have any doubt. Like this video, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends if you are also interested in web development. I post tutorials and tricks on web development, prompt engineering and many more. See you in the next video. Bye.